PCB assembly. PCBA is the core bridge connecting PCB design to functional products. It involves soldering electronic components onto the circuit board using SMT surface mount technology, that through-hole technology, and hybrid processes to endow the board with practical functions. Kaboer specializes in providing full-range PCBA services, supporting small pitch components from 01005 to large BGA, SMT plus that hybrid assembly, and complying with IPSA 610 standards to offer Class 2 General or Class 3 high-performance, high-reliability assembly. We strictly control common defects such as tombstoning, bridging, and insufficient solder, and conduct full process inspections including OE, X-ray, ICT, and functional testing. Meanwhile, relying on our own supply chain to ensure genuine components, we provide one-stop services for PCB manufacturing and PCBA assembly. With professional certification, strict quality control, and transparent production, we help efficiently transform designs into reliable products.